How to make a zip file in 30 seconds. First, select the files and folders you want to put into your zip file. Then, right-click and select Compress. Alternatively, you can go up to the File menu on the menu bar and choose Compress. This will create a zip file containing the files you selected. Now, to unzip this file, you just right-click it, choose Open With, and extract it using Archive Utility, which is the default macOS app. If you haven't installed any third-party unzipping tools, simply double-click it. Your Mac will automatically extract it using the default utility. Also, if you want to keep things more organized, you can gather all your files and folders into a new folder. Then, do the exact same thing. Right-click and select Compress to make your zip file.